Pavitran, and today we're gonna see how crude is going to behave. Okay, I will just first let you out what is the actual trend that has been going on in the market. It's even today it's a short-term bullishness. Okay, what are the levels you should be watching out? Okay, see on the morning, the recent high was somewhere around 24, 22. So if it breaks 24 or 25, then we can expect a further bull ride to continue. Until then, what you can do, see there are many rejections on the upper side, somewhere around from 24-20, so you can short somewhere around here, with 24-22 or 23 as stop loss as of now. But when it breaks 24-25, then you should not be holding you should not be holding your position in a sell side. You should have to switch over to buy side. This is what my suggestion on what are the levels you should be for a strong seller to come into the market. Just the today morning low somewhere around 23-30, you should look out for that level. If it breaks that level, then strong selling is on the cards. Now what are the support region you should be aware of? So the first support region will come somewhere around 2220 or 2250 or 2280 in this region, and somewhere to from here to here, that is the region you should look out for. If that successfully broken, then you should look out for 22 region, here the support region. Even if the 22 gets broken, 20, you should look out for $20 region. Okay, just give it a minute. Okay, yeah, you should be looking out for 20.5 and 20. So these are the levels you should be watching out very carefully. What are the resistant? Okay, first resistant is today morning high. The second one will be 25, and the third one somewhere around be 26, and the fourth one will be around 28. These are the levels you should be watching out very carefully. Okay, what is happening now? Okay, so these are the constant rejections from upper side. That is, sellers are trying to come into the market, but buyers are not leaving it because they are not um, allowing you to fall. Somewhere around 9:30 low is still intact, and see the 9 o'clock low, it's coming somewhere near 20 SMA. So what you should do, like I said, you can place an order, sell at somewhere of these rejections area, and try to place stop loss high above this candle. And if it breaks, then you should switch over your position to buy. And strong selling comes only when it crosses 23 20, 30. That is a strong sell for me. Strong sell comes only below that level, and a strong buy comes only about break of today's high somewhere around 24 or 25. Morning I placed sell order. I will share to you the reason for that. After I seen that much rejection, I tried to place order somewhere around this is an crude oil, M6 crude oil, that is available in trading view. Okay, see, this is the first morning candle, somewhere around 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, the high made was just 1681 in trading view, but in actual platform it's around 1682. So I placed my order at 1680 because I found many rejections over there. So I just tried this recent high will act as a resistance, so just place my order at 1680 with high 1682 plus 1 point stop loss as 1683, 3 point stop loss. But unfortunately my order did not get triggered in. See, it came to 1680, but it should have sustained there for a few minutes, or it should have crossed that 80, or it should go to 881, so that my order will get filled in. But that did not happen. It touched 80 and then it returned, then it fell badly. After that I did not take any position. I was waiting that it will come near to 80 again. So it made a low somewhere around 52. Okay, even 50 can take. Now this candle might come near 50. So in the morning with just 3 point or 4 point, might have got in just 30 points. Oh, that was a good one. That's actually because of the 2 point strategy which I've discussed maybe around 2 weeks back. I think that was the video. Because of that reason, I try to place trade here. Nevertheless, no problem. See, okay, 1.1650 as trigger. So 30 points. If your order got filled in, we would have 30 points. Okay, no problem. Now, what are the levels I should be watching out for? Is like I said, you should be very careful with the levels which I mentioned. Somewhere around 24, 20, and yes, 24.25 dollars and $23.30 you should be watching. So what RSI is suggesting, so RSI is riding in a bullish channel. Until then you can ride with that. So maybe around if it comes to 58 or 55, I think this will be coming near to 20, 22.50, or even 22 is possible. So if it comes near there, or if it breaks 22, it can go below the trend line too. Once that happens, we will bearish divergence will get for information based on this low, on fourth low. If it the RSI value closes or closes below this low, then we can say the bearish divergence has formed. So we have to wait for today's level to close, or till evening we have to wait whether bearish divergence is going to form or not. Until then, what you should do is just to play with the levels which I have given you. 23.20 below sell, and 24 25 above you should buy. And what are the levels you should try to book your profit? Somewhere around, if you are in sell, 22.50 is a good place to exit your position. Or if it breaks that successfully, then 22, it will act as a good support. And above, as I said, 25 and 28 are the strong resistance regions. That's it for now. Thank you. Trade cautiously.